Good morning, kids. After finishing the activities, today I am going to teach you how to match the numbers. So, you have done already. You have to put today's date in the right page of the corner. Today's date is 3/8/2020. 3rd August 2020. In the middle of the page you have to write classwork. See, they have given number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and in the opposite side they have given shuffled numbers 8, 6, 7, 10 and 9. What you have to do? You have to match the correct number. You have to draw one line to match the same number. Number 6 and number 6 is here. So from this dot to this dot you have to draw a line like that. All the same numbers you have to match. After finishing the page number 54, 5 or 54, come to the next page 55. Here also write in the middle of the page classwork, and in the right page, in the right corner, today's date 3rd August 3/8/2020, means 2020. What they have given here? See, color the number 6. They have given you so many clouds, and in the clouds they have put the number. Okay, from these clouds what you have to do? You have to find number 6. Which number you have to find? You have to find number 6. And which cloud has having 6 number? You have to color that cloud with the blue color. Okay, so find where see here they have colored the cloud like that. You have to color the cloud. So now you have what you have to do? You have to find the number 6 here. See, so you have to color with your blue color crayon this cloud. Okay, like that you have to color the cloud. So find the 6 number and color the cloud. Okay, then now turn the page number 62 and 63. See here, on this page you have to come. This is your homework part. Write here HW and in the corner today's date 3/8/2020. What they have given? This is a seaside. They have written here, see, at the seaside. See, kids are playing here. Coconuts are there. They both are in the water. What they have given here? Count each one and circle the number. In the side they have given the pictures. First is bird. So what you have to do? You have to count how many birds are there on the page, and that number you have to circle. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 birds are there. So already they have circled the number. Now the next is shell. You have to count how many shells are there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many are there? 8. So you have to circle number 8 like that. Coconut, crab, coconut tree and boat. You have to count and circle correct number. After finishing this, come to the page number 73. This is also your homework part. already I have taught you how to count and match the numbers. Okay, I have taught you. So now this is your homework part. You have to write HW in the middle of the page and then today's date 3/8/2020. So in the right side they have given you pictures and in the opposite of the pictures they have given you the numbers. So you have to count the object and match with the number. The first is which is this vegetable? Have you seen this vegetable? This is brinjal. Okay, this is brinjal. Now count how many brinjals are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. How many are there? 9. So now find where is number 9. Yes, it is here. So you have to draw a line from this dot and touch with this dot. Okay, like that you have to count and match with the numbers. So now next picture is of rat. Now count how many rats are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. How many? 10. So now find where is the number 10. Yes, below the 9 number is 10. So what we have to do? We have to draw a line to match the numbers. Like that you have to match or draw a line to match the correct picture with the number. Okay, so after finishing this, fold your book and take your handwriting book. Okay, handwriting book. So now which is your handwriting book? Green one. This green one is your handwriting book. Open the page. That day what we have learned? B and C. B and C. B for ball and C for cat. B and C alphabet we have learned. Today I am going to teach you how to write alphabet D. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to write again classwork in the middle of the page. Then in the right corner today's date 3/8/2020, 3rd August 2020. So this is alphabet D. D for duck. D for duck. D for duck. D for dog. D for doll. So this is alphabet D. Now how to write D? For writing D, what you have to do? You have to draw first one standing line. What have to do? You have to draw one standing line in the 3 lines, pink, blue, blue line. Then one semicircle. One semicircle. Like this semicircle, okay? So standing line and semicircle D. Standing line, semicircle D. D for duck or D for dog, D for doll. Whatever you like you can say and write. Okay. So already they have provided you dots. On the whole page they have provided you dots. You have to only trace the dots. Okay. You have to trace neatly, huh? Standing line, semicircle D. 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 Like that you have to trace the dots. When you are writing, what you have to do? You have to say and write. So like that whole page you have to trace. Okay. If you're not able to trace, you have to, what you have to do? You have to take your mama's help. Okay. Then after finishing this D letter, D alphabet, you have to turn the page and go to the page number 2020. 2020. After D, we are going to learn how to write alphabet G. Which alphabet? G. Okay. So G for goat. G for goat. G for grapes. All of you like to eat grapes? Yes. So G for goat or G for grapes. So this is your classwork. Write in the middle of the page classwork CW. Then today's date 3/8/2020. Then now we'll see how to write G. Okay. For writing G, what you have to do? First you have to draw a semicircle like this. Okay. Semicircle. Then one slipping line, a small slipping line, and then one standing line. So this is alphabet G. Semicircle, slipping line, standing line. G. Semicircle, slipping line and standing line. G. So in the writing in the when you are writing in the three lines, how to write? From red line you have pink line, you have to start semicircle, then come to the blue line. Okay. सेमीसर्कल आपको कहाँ तक लिखना है? सेकेंड वाली ब्लू लाइन तक आपको सेमीसर्कल लिखना है. फिर आपको व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू ड्रॉ वन small slipping line. Okay, sorry, small slipping line on the second one blue line, and then one standing line in the middle of the blue line, second one blue line and third one blue line. Okay, in the middle of the blue line you have to draw one small standing line. This is alphabet G. When you are writing, say and write. G for goat or G for grapes, whatever you like you can say and write, but you have to say and write. Okay. Draw one semicircle till the second one blue line. Then on the blue line draw one slipping line, and then again draw one standing line. Alphabet G. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. Okay. So this is your alphabet G. You have to trace whole the page. Okay. So what is your today's work? Alphabet writing in the handwriting book, alphabet D and G, and from maths book you have to do activities. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see next alphabet and next activity. Thank you.